Welcome to the channel. A very cheap projector lens from a totally unknown brand. Still, it's nice to try what you can get out of this lens. The whole space from the back of the lens cut off. Material is plastic. Lens placed on my universal projector lens system. I can choose from a large number of lengths for the front barrel of the system. A barrel for infinity, a barrel for close focus, or maybe an even longer one for macro. Macro was too close, and the depth of field was very small, and I didn't feel like working with a tripod. So the close focus barrel taken for a distance of about 30 centimeters. Still had to do a lot of stop down to find a nice bokeh. It is also an 85mm, so that seems logical. Really very sharp quality is not to be found, and there is quite a bit of flare. The more mistakes there are in a lens, the more beautiful the bokehes become, I sometimes think. Nice experiment.